Costly courses from traditional coaching institute. Yes, one student contacted me 2 days back, and he is from Bhopal, and he's doing a very costly course from a traditional coaching institute. He paid them 50,000 bucks, and for a 4 month complete full stack course. But the institute didn't completed the JavaScript and React because they didn't have anyone to do that JavaScript and React. Just they're all PHP guys. The traditional coaching institute are most PHP guys in tier 2 cities. Even I know in Bangalore, and also the traditional coaching institutes are like they will never, like most of the time they will never complete the courses. So what you should do the courses from somebody who is passionate. Like there is an institute in Bhopal known as Syrian Institute, or some people like me. I'm also going to have some more physical, so some physical batches. So do it from people who like that. You'll find a lot of people like that in Bangalore also. Do it from there, not do it from the traditional coaching institute who have like that stores. Okay, thank you.